Hello YouTube, this is an unboxing of a flashlight that I bought over eBay, and I am by no means a flashlight expert, so bear that in mind please. I do have this nice Phoenix PD30 flashlight, but it's giving me problems lately. And it just doesn't want to turn on, and if then only barely. There's somewhere I tried to clean the contacts and everything, but it just doesn't want to work anymore. So I found this, and this is of course not a new flashlight. I mean, it's not newly on the market. I don't know if I'm opening this right, but anyhow. Okay. This is a Nitecore EC11 with an integrated red LED light. I just wanted something smaller, and it's gonna be also brighter than my current flashlight. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what we have. And if there is any company out there that wants me to review some of their products, please feel free to do so and send them to me. I will do my best to review the items. So this comes with a manual that nobody ever reads, including me. Here you have a hand strap and some O-rings. Okay, and here you have the nice carrying pouch, a little bent out of shape. And this is the beauty. See, again, small details, guys. You have a groove for your finger to pick it up. Sometimes they're just in there and you have to push it from the bottom. And since I'm a very picky person, that matters to me. I'm kinda... Shouldn't there be a... how you call it, a clip for you to clip it onto your belt? Yes, there is. I'm sorry, I'd taken it out. Okay, this is the wrist strap, which is really nice. Okay, and this is a clip. I just wondered, I never use them because I don't like them, but it's in there, so just if anybody is wondering. Of course, this comes without a battery. Nice threads. And let's see what we have here. I did watch a few reviews myself, and I know it does come with the sleeve for if you have the thinner batteries. These are the CR123, if I remember correctly, and yes, those are the ones that fit in here. Unfortunately, I have not memorized the functions of the two buttons. Oh, okay, I know. 3, 4, it's 3.54 volts. If you first insert the battery, it will tell you by the number of blinks the voltage, which is very nice. See, I forgot about that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.4 volts. And let's see what we have. Whoa, this thing is bright. I think this is turbo mode. I'm not sure, please don't quote me on that. Oh, this is a nice toy. And I know you have a beacon. I'm not gonna go through all the menus. Please do watch the professionals telling you about those. I just got it, obviously. You saw me unpacking it. But it has also a beacon flashlight which flashes very short, every 5 seconds, 10 seconds or something like that, so you can locate your flashlight. Let me see if I can get any. Oh, okay. So here you got low power, and you can cycle through the settings and it will remember what it was. See, simple as that. Some flashlights don't do that. And it does have some SOS functions and some few others, so it obviously stands on this back. I wish they would put a magnet in here. I know some flashlights have it and you can just attach it anywhere you like, but I don't think this one has a magnet. At least I didn't read anything. No, it does not. So that would be nice, but just as a size comparison. And also, this guy needs 2 of those, whereas the Nitecore, yes, the Nitecore needs only 1 battery. And you can see the size difference. It's slightly thicker, obviously, which I don't mind at all. Actually, a little thicker is easier to hold in your hand. With this, it just kinda gets lost. But I really do like it, and I like the design of it. It just looks nice, and these buttons are definitely a plus. Definitely a plus over a tail cap button. And this one will stand on his back, but as you see, it's quite rocking around a little bit. Anyhow, of course, this is probably not a real comparison, but I like this little guy. I got myself a nice little toy, and this pattern looks like the radioactive pattern. I have to try this at night. That's cool. I love it. And it has a mineral glass, I think, if I remember correctly. You can of course attach your strap here, and I like this. I like this very, very much. Anyhow, since I'm really no expert in flashlights, this is just my humble own opinion, my honest opinion. This one I paid for, so no sent items like the awesome screwdriver that I got directly from the company. And I will also get a new soldering iron and a new oscilloscope from them. So looking forward to that. But this I like. This is just nice. I might do a video at night time and show how much light it really outputs. It's supposedly, I think, 900 lumens. Yes, 900 lumens, and it runs with one CR123 battery, as you can see here. And like I said, I bought this over eBay. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy your upcoming weekend, and take care, everybody. See you later.